Waiting for downloads can be really annoying. It doesn't matter if it's a big game, a Windows update, or a small file, slow speed makes it frustrating. But the good news is there's an easy way to fix this problem. In this video, I'll show you a free download manager that makes your downloads faster. I'll also give you a live demo so you can see the results yourself. Let's begin. Open any browser and search for GoPeed. Open the first website. You'll see a simple and modern interface. Just click on download and a file will start downloading. Once it's downloaded, open Downloads folder. Before using the tool, you might be thinking if it's safe. To confirm that, I'll upload the file to VirusTotal. Just select the file, click Open, and it will start scanning the file. As you can see, the scan shows it's completely clean. None of the security vendors flagged it as harmful, so it's safe to use. Now right-click and select Extract. After extraction, you'll see the setup file. Open it. If Windows shows protected your PC, just click Run anyway. Follow the basic installation steps. I recommend creating a desktop shortcut, so select that option, then click Next, and finally click Install. After installation, it will open automatically. You'll see a simple dashboard on the left. There are options like Tasks, Extension, and Settings. Now let me show you the real difference. I'll try downloading a Windows 11 ISO directly from Microsoft's official website. The speed I am getting is 100 to 200 KB per second. Sometimes even less. That's painfully slow. So I'll cancel this download, copy the link address of the ISO. Open the download manager, click plus icon, paste the link. And you'll see options like Direct Download or Advanced. Under Advanced, you can even configure proxy settings if needed. I don't need to change anything, so I'll just click Confirm. It will show me a preview with the file name and size. I'll click Download, and here's where the magic happens. Within seconds, the speed jumps to 700 to 800 KB per second. Compare that with the original speed in Chrome. It is 3 to 4 times better. This tool makes downloading much faster and more efficient. So if you're on Windows 10 or Windows 11 and want to download large files, games, or videos without wasting time, this free download manager is a great option. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one.